Hey there, fellow travelers. If you're a regular user of the Lucknow Metro and want to keep tabs on your Metro card balance without any hassle, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to check your Lucknow Metro card balance online in 2025. With digital advancements, this process has become simpler than ever, saving you time and trips to the station. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have a stable internet connection in a device like your smartphone or computer. Open your preferred web browser and head to the official Lucknow Metro website. You can easily find it by searching Lucknow Metro official website on Google. Always stick to the official site to avoid any scams or fake links. Once you're on the homepage, look for the User Login or My Account section. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to register one. Click on the registration button, enter your details like your Metro card number, mobile number, and email address. Don't worry, it's straightforward and only takes a minute. After registering or logging in, navigate to the Card Services or Balance Enquiry tab. This is usually prominently displayed for easy access. Now, here's the fun part. Enter your Metro card details if prompted. This might include your card number or a one-time password sent to your registered mobile. Hit the Check Balance button, and voila! Your current balance will appear on the screen. You'll see details like the available amount, recent transactions, and even expiration dates. One quick tip. If you encounter any issues, double-check your card details or contact Lucknow Metro customer support through their helpline. This method is not only convenient but also eco-friendly, reducing the need for physical visits. There you have it. Checking your Lucknow Metro card balance online in 2025 is a breeze. Give it a try next time you're planning your commute. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech-savvy tips. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.